Do you want glowing skin without expensive treatments? Do you want a simple skincare routine that actually works? Today I am testing this vitamin C Nano Cold Serum. It is good or just marketing? Let's check. Here is the package. It was delivered safely without any damage. Let me open it carefully. Okay, wow. The packaging looks simple and clean. And here is the serum bottle. First impression, it looks very premium and professional. Let me show you this closely. Wow. On the label it says vitamin C, nano cold, ascorbic acid and ferulic acid. These ingredients are known for improving skin glow and reducing dullness. The bottle is compact and travel friendly. You can easily carry it on your back. This serum is mainly for brightening, glow, even skin tone, healthy skin. Now let's check the texture. I am taking one drop on my hand. As you can see, the structure is light and watery. It is not sticky and not too thick. Let me split it. It absorbs very quickly into the skin. No crazy feeling at all. That is a very good signature. If this video was helpful for you, please like and share. Tata, bye bye, see you. Bye.